What's up, Tech? It's Josh here, and I want to walk you through the steps of how to install a screen protector. This one's from Nomad. It's pretty simple. You just open up the packages, get all your tools and all that kind of stuff all set and ready. You got your tray, wiping tools, and of course the screen protectors. And that's pretty much it. First, you lay down the tray onto the iPhone. Then you're going to use the cleaning wipes to clean off any residue. Dry it up with the included microfiber cloth. And then you're going to take these stickers and just dab the screen to make sure there's no dust or specks on the screen. A little pro tip is to use a glare of light so that way you can see if there's any specks on the screen. Sometimes it's really hard to see those kind of things. Next, simply put down the screen protector, hold down the middle, and the screen protector will then pretty much just adhere by itself. You might have to work out a few bubbles, but that's it. You're good to go.